If you are wondering for how long Realme 14T be supported, then let me quickly answer that question for you. Although the official information about Realme 14T seems to be missing, we can expect two major updates of the operating system on this phone. This is based on other similar Realme devices. Usually Realme devices receive 2 or 3 years of Android OS upgrades. However, recently Realme 14 Pro and 14 base model, they are expected to receive 2 Android upgrades, so we can expect the same with Realme 14T. So you should be expecting Android 16 and 17 eventually, of course, if they come out. And in addition to that, we are expecting to receive 3 years of support for the security patches. So technically, the Realme 14T should be supported at least till 2027, and in terms of security patches until 2028. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.